Well, मेरे साथ आज शो पे looking gorgeous as ever is Malaika Arora Khan. It's a pleasure to have you on the show.
Thank you so much.
सबसे पहले बात करते हैं आपकी association की with Taiwan Excellence Campaign 2012. Do you think your songs have also added to the brand value that Malaika Arora Khan today is?
Well, I think I would be known more for my songs than probably anything else. I mean, apart from all my body of work, I think that's something that probably jumps at you first, because that's the kind of reach and visibility that there is. Of course, I've been working forever. I mean, right from whether it was television to whether it was, you know, being an anchor, just like you, the way you are sitting. I've done all of that. But yeah, I think जो एक visibility और जो एक reach है Bollywood का, that's a different charm altogether.
But जब शुरू किया था, you had no idea it's going to get to this level. या कभी सोचा था कि, you know, I want to be getting into Bollywood as a heroine, but then it got this way.
Not at all. एक 5-year plan के साथ तो मैं नहीं आई थी यहाँ पे. I'm not like a government over here कि 5-year plan के साथ आना है. I was very happy doing what I was doing. I was straight out of college, so जो है सो है. I mean, the first thing is that to actually be earning your own and being, you know, financially independent and actually, you know, feel that security. I think वो सबसे बड़ी बात है. At that age, I think it felt fantastic. But कहाँ जाएगा, क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, यहाँ से क्या, I never really thought about it. I'm pretty much of somebody who, I mean, don't get me wrong. It's not like I'm not ambitious, but I'm somebody who just takes life the way it is. I don't ज़्यादा कुछ सोच नहीं है, या I don't sit and ponder and think too much about it.
You did change the face of the songs. ये कभी सोचा था? I mean, today people want to imitate that, but you still, you know, you're set apart.
Well,
इसका कोई particular reason? An ingredient that you bring in, that's just you.
No formula तो है ही नहीं. I mean, I love dancing and that translates on screen.
आज जो एक ये special song appearances हैं, they've become an industry of their own, और यहाँ तक कि 1 crore तक भी मिल रहा है इस चीज़ के लिए. You think it's justified? I mean, now you're a producer, you know how that money is spent.
What is justified or not justified, that's not really the point. But I think अगर if you're going to use somebody, and if somebody brings a certain brand value to your film, to your marketing, to the audiences coming to the theatre, then I think it is justified. Then I think that person is absolutely justified in the money that you pay them, or the kind of, or the repeat value, or whatever it may be. So yes, definitely.
You sometimes smile to yourself thinking, I started this. Because you did. You changed this whole thing.
I never ever sit back and say, well, you know, no, I'm not one of those. But it definitely feels good when somebody tells you, when somebody brings it to your notice, कि कहते हैं कि जो पहली बार जो आपने जो गाना किया अपने दिल से में ट्रेन के ऊपर, वो पहली बार
और दिल से किया.
दिल से ऐसे, हाँ, मैंने दिल से किया वो गाना. लेकिन when somebody brings it to your notice, it definitely, it feels good. It's like a nice high that you get. So, and every time, you know, I'm asked कि आप तो full-fledged heroine भी नहीं हो, आप तो अपने आज तक एक पूरी फिल्म भी नहीं की, लेकिन जब भी फिल्म लगती है वहाँ पे अगर आपके गाने हैं फिल्म में, तो it plays an important or a pivotal role in the film. So that feels good. I think that's somewhere I can sit back and smile and say, well, it feels nice.
With the bang, you turn producer. तो उस side पे कितनी involvement है? Do you get into the nitty-gritty of things?
मैं काफ़ी behind the scenes रहती हूँ. ऑफिस का काम जो भी है मैं वो कर लेती हूँ. Yes.
You're saying the not so glamorous stuff, because I think audience may not be okay with that. This is the avatar we want to see.
But it's the not. I mean, unless I'm doing something on screen, but otherwise day-to-day activities of making the film is pretty non-glamorous, because जैसे मैंने कहा मुझे ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है, check sign करना पड़ता है. I have to hear all sorts of, you know, कि ये करना है, वो करना है.
As well.
Well, yes, but otherwise, I mean, at the end of the day, it is Arbaz who heads the, you know, all of it at the office. We just literally subordinates around, but it's a great feeling to be actually producing a film as well.
आपने कहा आप normally plans के साथ नहीं चलती, but any immediate future plans?
Well, immediate future plans तो ये हम you know wish करते हैं कि अरबाज खान Productions के बैनर के नीचे we will produce many fantastic films and do films that we really love and believe in, and want to make Dabangg a real brand and take it to 3, 4, 5, 6 probably. You know, I mean, these are
Why
things.
not?
Why? I mean, these are possibilities. I mean, you never know. So yeah, I think right now, बस ये हम चाहते हैं कि we make some fantastic films.
Here's wishing you luck for that. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so
and
much.
you have made an enviable space in Bollywood. One can't deny that. और आज
Thank
business
you.
of Bollywood में भी आपने वही किया. That's quite a
Thank you.
space that one will find hard to catch.
Well, thank you so much.
All right.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Subscribe to Zoom TV's channel on YouTube and get fresh Bollywood news and entertainment.